still runs 5 minutes fast, and the paint's still peeling off the back porch rail. The dog sleeps under that old oak tree, and the mailman still waves when he brings the mail. Some things change, some things don't. Funny how that works. Every now and then light slows down enough to hear yourself think, like wind through the screen door and rain on the roof, old songs on the radio and a little bit of truth. Some things don't need fixing, some things don't need more. Sometimes peace sounds like wind through the screen door. Mama still cuts tomatoes too thick, and Dad still tells stories too long. Somebody's always a little late, and somehow nobody minds at all. We laugh, we fuss, then laugh again. Guess that's family. Slow down like wind through the screen door, and the smell of fresh cut hay, a familiar voice at the end of the day. No big revelations, no fortune or fame. Sometimes peace shows up and never says its name. Like